Hey guys, hello and welcome to Zen Innovations, and I don't need to introduce you the kind of pandemic situation which is happening throughout the world, but I need to introduce you to something like this. So this is one product which might help you combat the virus. Guys, this is an automatic sensor based tap and it comes from Sizesteller. Let's talk about the features, but before that, make sure to enjoy the B-rolls. Guys, so as I said, this product comes from Sizesteller India, and as the name suggests, this is an Indian company and the product is not only designed but it is also manufactured in India. And we already know that the competitors are imported from where, so I don't need to talk about that, but you are getting a made in India product for you. So this is how the product looks, and the finish comes in chrome and the chrome quality is very good. And I can say so because the plumbing fitting in my house comes from Jaguar, which is one of the the topmost reputed company when it comes to plumbing. And this thing is no less. The look of this luxury product is as good as any high-end expensive faucet you can buy. So here is how it looks. So this part is going to be visible on the top, and you can install it like this using this retention sleeve. Through the course of this video, we are going to install it and I'll let you know how it works. So it comes with this kind of tube which is already installed. So this is one tube. It came like this, and there's another tube which came in the package. So where does this thing go? Actually, this thing goes over here. So this thing is pretty jumpy and it is pretty excited to come in the frame. So this thing is the brain of this device, and the device is based on infrared sensor technology. So the infrared sensor is located over here, and this thing sends the signal to this brain which starts the flow of water. So let's quickly install this thing and let's take a look at the demo. But make sure to watch the entire video because we are also going to discuss the pros and cons at the end of this video. So let's go and install it. Guys, so here we are, and are you ready for the magic? Alright, so let's do it. Let's try again. And believe me guys, this thing is super fun. So here is how I have installed it. And some of you might be wondering, Zen, why do you have two taps over here? Actually, guys, the product which we are going to review is this one, and this is my older tap. And due to repeated lockdowns, I was not able to get hold of a good plumber. So I installed it temporarily. Actually, this thing goes over here and only this particular part will be visible. So this thing replaces this thing. And since this is a temporary install, I thought let's take the benefit of this situation and show you the connections. So the connections are like this, and this is the main water inlet, and the water flow starts from here and it goes through this pipe, and this pipe is included in the package and it goes into this brain, this controller, and this thing is a waterproof box. You don't need to worry about it. And then the water flow goes up towards the faucet. And the controller also has this wire, and this wire actually feeds the infrared sensor. So the sensor is based on infrared technology and it is located over here. And if you carefully looked at this design, let's come to the pros and cons section. So this thing reminds me of the First Pro today, and the First Pro today is tool-less installation. So this thing can be installed by hand, it can be moved over here, this thing can be screwed on. So you can install this thing almost without any tools, and it is very too easy, and it's very easy to do it yourself. And I particularly liked this plastic retention ring. So this is the ring, and usually this thing stays below the basin like this. It will be hidden. Only this part from here up, this chrome portion will be visible, and this thing will be hidden. So the benefit of this plastic ring is that usually the older taps will have a metal ring which tends to rust over the course of few years, and then you will have a hard time getting this thing out. So this tap would be seized, and then if you try to wrestle around with it, it might break. But the same problem will never happen with this thing because plastic never rusts. And also this thing is pretty large, so you can just grab it by hand and install it. So that is the first pro, which is toolless installation. Now let's talk towards the second pro. So the second pro is over here. If you've noticed, this thing is unplugged and still the water is flowing. Still we can wash the hands. So what's happening? Guys, this little box comes with inbuilt lithium ion battery, which is rated at 7.4 volts. And I've tried many of these faucets before, and what usually happens is that you have to install those little AAA or AA cells, which require frequent replacement, and then it becomes very tedious. But here, this is a rechargeable lithium battery and it's going to work for years. So whenever the power is available, it automatically gets charged. And in the event of power cut, you can wash your hands uninterrupted. So that was the second pro. Let's talk about the third pro. And the third pro is regarding convenience. Guys, after using this thing, I was really happy that I could wash my hands to my heart's content, which means that you can wash your hands for 30 seconds using this faucet. And in a different competing faucets, what happens is that they have a very small timer of say just 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and it becomes super annoying because you are trying to do your business and then this thing will shut off and then it will create this annoying problem. But this particular faucet works for 30 seconds and you can very nicely and cleanly wash your hands to get all of those dirty germs out. Alright, so let's talk about the fourth pro, and fourth pro is with respect to water saving. And especially if you have small children at your home. Small children sometimes don't close the tap properly, or they close it halfway and the water starts dribbling out. But with this thing, so this thing is simply on or off. Absolutely no water wastage, so no water being dribbled and no taps left on. So that was the fourth pro. And the fifth and final pro is very simple, which is related to the health and hygiene of your family, because washing hands, maintaining distance is the ultimate answer to fighting off germs and infections. So that was the fifth pro. Alright, so 5 pros. Let's come to the cons part, because knowing cons as a consumer is also very important. So let's talk about the cons. Right. So the first con I noticed over here is with respect to this box. And if you watch closely, there are no buttons or secret switches on this. So say sometimes if you want to turn this tap off, say if you want to clean this basin and then the tap is interfering with the process, you may want to turn it off. But sadly, there is no switch over here and you cannot turn it off. Actually, you can do that like this. You can turn off the mains water supply. But what will happen is that sometimes these controls are way far behind and they are out of the reach. So having a small switch to turn off the sensor on this box would have been nice. And the second con is again related to this box. And again, we can notice that there are absolutely no LED indicators. So we don't know if the battery is fully charged. We don't know if the battery is running down. We don't know what is wrong with this system. And sometimes we can be left wondering if the water supply has stopped working or the battery has stopped working. Basically, we could be left guessing that what actually went wrong with this system. So I wish a small LED indicator showing the status of this system as well as the state of charge of the battery would have been nice. So that was about the cons section. And let's do it once again for the sake of fun. Very nice. And this thing is never going to get old. So that was it for this little review of this Systiller faucet, guys. If you want to buy this thing, the link is waiting for you in description below. And that's it for this little video. Take care and have a nice day, guys.